Hi, my name's Sean Beasley, and I wanted to bring you this short video about an application that I've found. I'm going to be using my screencasts in the near future to demo apps for the iPhone. Now, this requires an iPhone S or an iPhone 5 because of the requirement for the AirPlay function, which is part of the iOS 6 on the iPhone 4S and iPhone 5s, as well as the iPad new generations. Here you'll see a display. It looks like a developer kit for the iPhone. You could also use this in case you wanted to test your apps locally or use your apps locally. I'll be doing videos about how to use some of the social media functions via the iPhone developer app. And now we've seen that it's a little bit buggy evidently. Now, see, that's just, it went to sleep, so that's pretty cool. I thought it was going to crash on me. So this app basically uses the AirPlay function, which requires your devices to be connected via the wireless network. And the app is Reflection. So we can go to the website where it's available. Reflection.app.com. Done a really good job with building upon the whole app thing with their website. Here you can download it and it will run for 10 minutes at a session, or you can purchase it. And it runs basically on all your iOS devices. It also has a record feature for people who don't have recording software. If you wanted to go up here, then you could go ahead and start recording. And at the end you'll get an MP4 file, so you can do demonstrations of your own apps or help people with other apps. I use the recording software ScreenFlow, so I don't need this function. My device is sleeping again. So let's look at how this works. If I open up one of my social folders, for example, and you see I just clicked on it, and in the same, I'm going to click on Facebook, 1, 2, 3, and you see the reaction time is just wonderful on this software. So it's really good for doing demonstrations, and yeah, just using your iPhone on the big screen if you actually want to. You may actually feel the need to work on your device here locally and then read it on your screen at the same time. So that's just a quick rundown of how it works. It's really simple. It's just basically mirroring the display. So once you start the app down at the bottom, I'll go ahead and stop the app. Go ahead and restart it from Mission Control. I'm going to click on Try Reflection. It's going to warn me about the 10 minutes. And now it's going to be open. Now I actually have to go on my iOS device. You're not going to see this, but I'll replay it in just a moment. Click twice on the home button and scroll over, and I'll see it sees that the AirPlay device has been found. As long as you don't have an AirPlay device in your network, you're not actually going to see this icon. So here's what you see after you click on the AirPlay. You're going to see the devices that are capable of AirPlay streaming, and you're going to see mirroring, and that's going to be off at the beginning, and we're just going to go ahead and turn it on to mirror the device and click Done. So how did I get to that screen? Let's go ahead and look at that. Here's your normal iPhone screen. I'm going to click twice on the home button. I'm going to get to your running applications. I'm going to scroll over. We're going to see the media application. I'm going to scroll over and we're going to see the AirPlay, and then we can select our AirPlay device and turn mirroring on. So I hope this was a good little demo of the Reflection app. I'm not sure if I'm going to purchase it. Probably will, because I like to support the developers that make good software. If I wanted to purchase it, what would it cost? It's one of the things that you don't see on the first screen. Kind of irritating. But here they've got it on sale for $39.99. So you would probably need it if you're going for 5 licenses and $11.99 for 1 license. So you can't beat that, right? Even if you only use it occasionally to show your mom how to use the iPhone, or to broadcast your iPhone onto your laptop so it can be put on the beamer so you can display your new app to the customer, or whatever you want to do with it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, subscribe, give me a +1 on Google, and yeah, reference me to all of your friends and family so that I can get as many subscribers as possible for my channel. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.